Good Tuesday morning. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Beautiful sun-filled morning. The temperatures are beginning to slowly improve a little bit. We had a little bit of a chilly morning, but very typical temperatures really for this time of the year, with less wind than recent days and even more sunshine. So it's been kind of nice. Good to see that as we look outside. Here's our Gwaltney Group camera from Lake City, and we are looking at a sun-filled day, at least for the first 2/3 of the day. Then things begin to change. The possibility there of some rain late in the day. This is kind of a fast-paced pattern you're going to be watching here over the next few days. Rain about every other day, and when it's not raining, maybe a little bit of snow thrown in as well at times, especially for some of the overnight hours. Tonight, maybe one of those, and over the weekend, we may have something similar where there's just a little bit of snow is possible. Otherwise, in between those rounds of rain will be some sun, and we're enjoying that so far here today for our Tuesday. At least some cool sunshine. As again, look outside with our Gwaltney camera. Again, looking at a sun-filled day to start our Tuesday, and yeah, temperatures on the way to the 40s. We didn't get there yesterday. We started very early in the 40s, but temperatures bottomed out in the low 30s and kind of hung on to that level right into the afternoon on Monday. That the gloom, those raw winds, and the light showers in the afternoon kind of made for less than ideal start to the week. Certainly coming off the weekend we enjoyed. It was very April-like. But anyway, today for our Tuesday, 26 in Rochester, or 25 rather, Rochester, 26 Preston, Mason City 25. Typical temperatures for early morning hours. Here it is, 8:30 on this early Tuesday morning. Winds are pretty light. They will remain light throughout the day. If nothing else, we at least have that. We have sun and light winds. Anytime you can manage that in March, I guess you're doing pretty well. In a month that's known for its gloom and blustery raw weather. Air pressure rising rapidly, and right now the wind chill 17. Day planner, a lot of sun. Rain after 4, I think at the earliest 4 o'clock. Looks like it may even be later than that, but the showers and very light winds. 42 the expected high temperature. That's about 5 degrees above the seasonal average. For the time being, nothing but blue skies. Satellite radar, there it is. We are between storm systems. Another system coming out of Nebraska that's generating some rain across Nebraska. On the northern flank of that system, we do have a little bit of snow showing up, so we're going to have maybe some of that to contend with. That's going to be late this evening. I think it will start off as rain. As you'll see, temperatures are warm enough for that, reaching 42 by around 3:30, 4 o'clock this afternoon for a high temperature, and above freezing until about midnight or even beyond midnight. So what we'll see is wet snow later on as cold air aloft mixes in. That changes the precipitation type, even if temperatures at ground level are still above freezing. It happens a lot this time of the year. We're kind of used to that. We've had that a number of times already this winter and now early spring. But overall, looking at a very March-like situation. Rain late, a little snow this evening, just a little minor coating perhaps on some of the grassy surfaces, rooftops, again late in the evening, especially along and north of Interstate 90. And then rain returns Thursday, especially early in the day, and over the weekend, a cool weekend, maybe a little bit of rain-snow mixture on Saturday. But here's Futurecast. High pressure brings sunshine this morning. Clouds take over by around 4 or 5 o'clock, little rain. You see that with that blue also showing up, that change to some snow that may happen around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock this evening into the midnight hour. Beyond that, we'll see things taper off. Skies clear by mid-morning tomorrow, and then some sun, light wind out of the south, and tomorrow looks like a really nice day. Mid-40s, even warmer than today's low 40s. And then going into tomorrow night, a little breezier, a little warmer. We'll be in the 30s. By Thursday morning, a cold front comes through. That's going to bring rain chances. But an initial outlook of that day, it looks like upper 30s and 40s at first, and even with the cold air coming in behind that, a breezy situation, a little bit of rain, but still a warm enough start today. We add a little late day sun that'll help us stay in the mid and maybe in some cases upper 40s on Thursday. Friday does feature some cooler sunshine though. Totals around the area, what we're expecting tonight, quite a range. And at this point, I think the 1+ inch total is a little high. I think we're talking somewhere around 1/4 to 1/2 inch, especially along and north of Interstate 90. A lot of that melting on that warmer ground, but some grassy surfaces and on the rooftops, mailboxes, windshields. If you park outside, you may get a little coating of snow perhaps. Late evening into the overnight hours, certainly done before, well before tomorrow morning. But today some sun, then late day rain. Looking at temperatures around 42 in Rochester, Mason City 44. South winds around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Rain this evening, then after about 8 or 9 o'clock, a little snow mixes in. 31 overnight. That'll be done by 2 in the morning, though, that precipitation. Clouds break up in the morning. We'll have some sun tomorrow, 45, a light south breeze. It looks like overall a nice Wednesday. Thursday, breezy with some rain early morning and then early afternoon. It'll be winding down, and then upper 30s to low 40s, close to the seasonal average heading into next week. So here's a 7-day outlook. Rain on Thursday, rain and very sparse snow showers Saturday, very small chance there, and same deal on Monday. But we're watching slightly colder air coming in next week. That may mean upper 30s more than 40s in the long run. So we are looking at that down the road. Of course, we'll know more as we get closer to that. But in the meantime, enjoy today's sun, at least while we have it, and have a great Tuesday.